So students, today's topic of study is position time graph. So position time graph, we will deal with the locations of body or varying locations of body with respect to time. Okay, we will show them in graph. Okay, and in position time graph, we will get mainly three cases. Suppose for case 1, a body is at rest. For such conditions, let us consider at this moment a body is in 2 meter. In 1 second, the body will be at 2 meter. In 2 seconds, it will be in 2 meter. In 3 seconds, it will be in 2 meter. In 4 seconds, it will be in 2 meter, right? If we put this table in this graph or like number line, then how will it be? যদি এনেকুৱা এটা situation হয়, then the body will be at 2 in this position for the whole 4 seconds. Right? So for such case, if we draw a graph and in x-axis we have taken time and in y-axis we have taken position, then for 0 second the body is at 2 meter. In 1 second it is in 2 meter. In 2 second it is in 2 meter. In 3 second it is in 2 meter. In 4 second it is in 2 meter. And if we connect all the dots, then we will get a straight line like this, right? We will get a horizontal line. Now let us consider the body is moving, right? For such case, let us consider another table like the first case, and here in 0 second the body is in 0. That means tomorrow 0 te ase mane hobo. In 1 second the body is in 1 meter. In 2 seconds, the body is in 2 meter. In 3 seconds, the body is in 3 meter. In 4 seconds, the body is in 4 meter. In 5 seconds, the body is in 5 meter. Suppose a point to my P kolo, etu Q kolo, etu R kolo, etu S kolo, etu T kolo, etu U kolo. এইখিনি মই যদি তোমাৰ এনেকৈ যদি এটা লাইনত যদি মই যদি ড্ৰ কৰি দেখুৱাব লাগে, দেন তোমাৰ কেনেকৈ পাম বাৰু? ফাৰ্ষ্ট তোমাৰ বডিটো ক'ত আছিলে? ইয়াতে। নেক্সট তোমাৰ আছে 1 মিটাৰ, নেক্সট আছে তোমাৰ 2 মিটাৰ, নেক্সট আছে তোমাৰ 3 মিটাৰ, নেক্সট আছে তোমাৰ 4 মিটাৰ, 4 মিটাৰ মানে টি, নেক্সট আছে তোমাৰ 1 ছেকেণ্ডত 5 মিটাৰ, then 5 meter মানে তোমাৰ u হ'ব. So if we draw a graph according to this table, then তোমাৰ গ্ৰাফটো কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? So again suppose এইফালে আমি পজিশ্যন লৈছোঁ আৰু এইফালে তোমাৰ টাইম লৈছোঁ. টাইমটো তোমাৰ কি লৈছোঁ? 0 1 2 3 4 5 আৰু তোমাৰ পজিশ্যনটো মই সাপোজ তোমাৰ 1 2 3 4 5. So in 0 second the body is in 0, is at 0, হয়? In 1 second the body is at 1 meter. In 2 seconds, the body is at 2 meter. In 3 seconds, the body is at 3 meter. In 4 seconds, the body is at 4 meter. Sorry, মই তোমালোকৰ পইণ্টবিলাক অলপ ড্ৰ কৰোঁতে কিবা হৈ গ'ল। মই সাপোজ তোমাৰ এগেইন ড্ৰ কৰি আছোঁ দেই এইটো। One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. এইফালে আছে তোমাৰ পজিশ্যন আৰু এইফালে আছে তোমাৰ টাইম। In 0 second, the body is in 1 meter. In 1 second, the body is at 1 meter. In 2 seconds, the body is at 2 meter. In 3 seconds, the body is at 3 meter. In 4 seconds, the body is at 4 meter. And in 5 seconds, the body is at 5 meter. Right? So we have got these points, right? If we connect all the points, then we will get a straight line again, like the previous case. But in the first case, we have got a horizontal line, and in this case, we have got a straight line, but which has formed an angle with the x-axis or y-axis. You can say anything. Okay? Now, let us consider a third case in which the body is still moving, the body is in moving, or the body is in motion, but in a specific way, like at 0 second, the body is at 0 meter. In 1 second, the body is at 1 meter. In 2 seconds, the body is at 3 meter. In 3 seconds, the body is at 4 meter. In 4 seconds, the body is at 6 meter. In 5 seconds, the body is at 7 meter. Okay? So, in such case, if we draw a graph, then আমার কি হবো 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 6 So if we plot that table in this graph, then how will it be? In 0 second, the body is at 0 meter. In 1 second, the body is at 1 meter. In 2 seconds, এটা আমি আগৰ পৰা কি লৈছিলো আমি y axis পজিশন লৈ আছিলো ন আৰু in x axis আমি টাইম লৈ আছিলো in 1 second the body is in 1 meter in 2 seconds the body is in 3 meter and in 3 seconds the body is in 4 meter so in 3 seconds the body is in 4 meter in 4 seconds the body is in 6 meter and in 5 seconds the body is in 7 meter so if we connect all the dots then the graph will be like this তোমার অলপমান ভুল হল মেবি নহলে তোমার এই গ্রাফটো তোমার এনেকুৱা হৈ গলে তোমার এটো অলপমান এনেকুৱা হ'ব মই ফ্রি হ্যান্ড ড্ৰ কৰিছো ন তো এইবিলাক তোমাৰ উইথ ক্যালকুলেশন লোৱা নাই মই সো তোমাৰ কোনোবাত অলপমান কম কৰবাত বেছি হৈছে এইবিলাকটো সো এনেকুৱা হৈছে বাট our মেইন তোমাৰ ডিসকাশন টপিকটো হৈছে তোমাৰ গ্ৰাফ হয় সো আমি পজিশন টাইম গ্ৰাফ কৰিছিলো ইন পজিশন টাইম গ্ৰাফ I have said that we will get 3 cases right for the first case the body is at rest for the second case and third case the body is in motion so for the rest if a body is at rest we will get a graph like this for position time graph and if a body is moving, but if it will be like this, then we will get a graph like this, and if we get something like this table, then we will get a graph like this. That means what? মই যদি অলপ ভালকে কোৱা নাই, ইয়াতে তোমাৰ কি হৈছে, in 1 second, in each 1 second they have traveled 1 meter. But in this case, it is not uniform. In the first second, the body has traveled 1 meter. For the second it has moved or traveled 2 meter. Again in 1 meter, again 2 meter, again 1 meter. I am just saying that they are moving. It is in uniform speed and it is in varying speed. So for varying speed, we have got something like this graph, and for varying speed, we have something like this graph. Okay, this is all about position time graph. So from position time graph and like this table, we will get to know about the process how to calculate the speed or velocity or acceleration of a body.